Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: PM Imran to visit Saudi Arabia. Saudi envoy. Saudi ambassador to Pakistan Nawaf bin Saeed Al Maliki announced that Prime Minister Imran Khan would visit Saudi Arabia soon. PM Imran Khan voiced campaign to prevent blasphemous acts. Prime Minister Imran Khan said that his government is committed to the cause of fighting Islamophobia and will soon launch a comprehensive campaign against blasphemy. Budget preparation for next fiscal year begins, announces Shaukat Tareen. Finance Minister Shaukat Tareen has announced that the process to prepare the federal budget for the next fiscal year 2021 and 22 began. Britain to look closer at creating digital currency. Britain stepped up efforts to look at the case for a digital pound in response to the challenge posed by cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and outlined plans to make its financial market more attractive. 5.9 magnitude earthquake hit Iran. An earthquake measuring 5.9 on a Richter scale hits Iran's southwestern province, which houses a nuclear power plant, injuring 5 people but causing no major damage. Countrywide strike being observed, security on high alert. A countrywide strike is being observed today on a call of former chairman Ruwayat Hilal Committee Mufti Munib against the Lahore incident. Bitcoin slumps 14% as pullback from record gathers pace. Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, fell as much as 14% to $51,541. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.